Now children, I have to square this value. Okay, first I'll be dividing it, then I'll be squaring it. Okay, when I divide it, I get 4.35 minus, and inside the bracket 1 divided by 4 I get 0.25, and I have to square it now. When I'll square this value, so it will be converted into a positive value. So let's see what is the value we are getting. 4.35 minus, when I square it I get 0.0625. Fine children. Now subtracting this, when I subtract I get a value 4.29. Okay, and now I have to calculate the under root of this value, under root of 4.29. So my answer will be sigma, I have already calculated 2.07. So children, I guess up till here it is clear. We are going to quickly revise this. Today we discussed about shortcut method, and when discrete series is given to you to calculate standard deviation, and this is the formula, sigma summation d fd square divided by n, summation fd divided by n, and squaring that, and d over here is deviation. So these are the values of x which are given to us, and these in discrete series frequency is also given to us. So these two, you could say ki these values of x and frequency for that is given. Now I have to calculate d. d कैसे calculate करेंगे? x minus a. a कहाँ से आएगा? I have to assume a value from the x variable. So I assume 5 as my value, and what I have to do, I have to subtract values of x from 5 now. My first value is minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now another step is I want d square, because in the formula f d square you can see. So from where this d square is coming, I have to square the values of d. So first value will be 16 and followed by all the values. Okay children. Now next step, f into d square. So in the formula you can see summation f d square. So I have to multiply f in by d square. So quickly I'll multiply 16, okay, multiplied by this frequency. This is 80. 9 into 10, it will be 90. Then 4 into 15, it will be 60, and further need to continue. And in formula we want summation also, summation of sum of f d square. So I'll be totaling it up, and my total is 435. Now one more thing, in formula I want f into d. This was f into d square. I just want f into d also. So I will calculate now f into d. It could be calculated before calculating f into d square, or you can calculate it afterwards also. So the first value is frequency multiplied by the value of d. So 5 into minus 4, it will be 20. 10 into minus 3, it will be minus 30. 15 into minus 2, it will be 30, and followed by solving all the values. So I have some negative values and I have some positive values. So I'll be calculating. First I'll be adding up the negative values. By adding negative values I get minus 100, and by adding the positive values I get 75. Now solving them I get minus 25 as my answer. Okay, so this is summation fd. Now I have all the values. From here I get summation f also, that means total of frequency is called n. Fine children. So I am putting all the values in the formula. Our formula is this, and summation fd square divided by n, 435 divided by 100 minus, अब दूसरी ब्रैकेट में we'll be writing summation fd. I got it minus 25. So minus 25 divided by 100 and squaring that. So further calculating I get dividing 435 by 100, 4.35, and dividing this you could say I get 1 by 4. now इसको further अब हम solve करेंगे और माइनस वैल्यू मिलेगी, उसका स्क्वायर कर देंगे. now this is the further solution. so I hope it is clear to you children up till here. so we have completed calculation of standard value by discrete series today. okay, when discrete series is given to you by direct method as well as shortcut method.